Hello and namaste to all. Welcome back to our channel. I'm here with another super helpful video for all MBBS applicants who are applying for their and preparing for their CEE entrance exam. Today we are going to solve the top 10 question about IQ and math questions that frequently asked and appear in the entrance exams. These questions test your logical thinking and problem solving skills. And trust me, once you understand the patterns, they become really easy. So grab your notebook and let's dive right in. The first questions, let's start with our first questions, which is about number series. This is super common in entrance exam. The question is like the series, complete the series 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, da da da. What comes next? The option is given below. Let's dive into solution. Now here is the trick with number series. Always look for the pattern in differences between consecutive numbers. Let me show you. 5 minus 2 equals to 3, 10 minus 5 equal to 5, 17 minus 10 equal to 7, 26 minus 17 equal to 9. Do you see it? The differences are 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers increasing by 2 each time. So the next differences would be 11. 16 plus 11 is equal to 37. So our right answer is option B, which is 37. Moving next, the next question is related about missing figure pattern. This test your visual pattern recognition. Question is like 4 squares with dots. First has 1 dot, second has 2 dots, third has 3 dots, and what should the fourth have? The option is given below. This one is actually very straightforward. It's a simple counting sequence 1 to 3 and so on. Naturally, the next figure should have 4 dots. So our right answer is option B, which is 4 dots. Similarly, moving next, we have question 3, which is about analogy. Question is like eye equal to vision. Similarly, ear equal to what? The option is given below. Now the solution is like this. The key here is to understand the functional relationship. What does an eye do? It helps us see, which means visual. Similarly, what does an ear do? It helps us to hear, which means hearing. So our right answer is hearing, option A. The next question is about blood relation. This can be very tricky, but let's break them down step by step. Question is like pointing to a girl, Ramesh says, "She is my father's only daughter's daughter." How is the girl related to Ramesh? Option is given like daughter, sister, niece, cousin. Let me solve this problem step by step. My father's only daughter. My father's only daughter. That means that's Ramesh's sister. My father's only daughter. That means that's Ramesh's only sister. And similarly, her daughter means that is his sister daughter. Her daughter means that is his sister daughter. And furthermore, sister's daughter is nice. Sister daughter is nice. So our the girl is related to Ramesh is her nice. So we can see that the right answer is option C, which is nice. Moving next, we have question number 5, which is related about odd one out. Question: find the odd one. 8, 27, 64, 100, 125. Option is like option A 8, option B 27, option C 64, option D 100, option E 125. Let me check what these numbers are. If we see clearly, 8 is what? 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. Similarly, 3 cube equal to 27. Likewise, 4 cube equal to 64. Again, 5 cube equal to 125. But 10 cube equal to 1000. 1000. But in the option given is 100, which is 10 square, not the 10 cube. So all numbers except 100, all number except 100 are perfect cubes, but 100 is a perfect square, not a cube. So we can say that in this question, option D, which is 100, is wrong one. So we can say that in this question our right answer is D, 100. Moving next, we have question number 6, which is about coding and decoding. Question is like that: if cat equal to dbu, cat equal to dbu, then dog equal to what? The option is like option A, EPH, option B, EOH, option C, FPH, option D, DPH. Let me figure out the coding pattern. C becomes D if we watch carefully in the question. C becomes D. In the question cat is equal to dbu, we have to focus on C and D. C becomes D, which is shifted by +1. Similarly, A becomes B, which is shifted by +1. Similarly, T becomes U, which is shifted by +1. So each letter moves one position forward in the alphabet. So applying this rule to dog, D becomes E, O becomes P, G becomes H. So ultimately our right answer is option A, which is EPH. Moving next, we have question number 7, which is about direction sense. A person walks 3 km north, then 4 km east. What is the shortest distance from the starting point? Option is given below, which is option A 5 km, B 7 km, C 3 km, and ultimately D our 4 km. For the solution, if we think carefully, this is a classic Pythagoras theorem question. When you move north and then east, you form a right triangle. Using the formula of right angle, root under 3 square plus 4 square equal to root under 9 plus 16 equal to root under 25, which ultimately become to 5 km. So our right answer is 5 km, which is the shortest distance from the starting point. The next question we have about arithmetic reasoning. Question is like, if 2 pencils cost ₹8, how many pencils can you buy for ₹40? This is a basic proportion. Cost per pencil equal to 8, open by 2, we get ₹4. So we can say that per pencil we should pay ₹4. Then for ₹40 we have to divide by 4. So 40 upon 4 equal to 10. So we can say that we have 10 pencil. We get 10 pencil by investing ₹40. So our next question is about alphabet series. Question is like A, D, G, J, M, and the option is given right below. Let me check the pattern. A to J. Differences of 3 letters. If we see carefully in the question, the gap between A and D is about 3 letters. of 3 letters. Similarly, D to J 3 letters, G to J differences of 3 letters, again J to M differences of 3 letters. So each letter moves 3 positions forward. So similarly, for the next term, M plus 3, we have to add 3 terms in M's 3 position, so we can get the right answer. And if we add 3 position in M, we get P. So our right answer is P, which is option A. Moving next, we have the last question, finally our 10th question, which is relating about logical puzzle. Question is like, three persons ABC have different heights. A is taller than B but shorter than C. Who is the tallest one? Option is A, B, C, and can say. Let me arrange this logically. A is taller than B, so we can say that A is greater means taller. In the comparison height, we usually use uh, taller. So A is taller than B. Similarly, A is shorter than B. A is shorter than C. Sorry, A is shorter than C. So we can say that C is taller than A. So ultimately, therefore, C is taller than A and A is taller than B. So we can say that C is taller than both A and B. So our right answer is C, which is the tallest one among the all ABC. So this is much for today. Practice these question types regularly and you will definitely improve your speed and accuracy in the CE entrance exam. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more entrance exam content. Drop your question in the comments below. I read and reply to everyone. Good luck with your preparation and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for much for watching my video.